Hi, welcome back to this training section. So, right now I want to show you how you can use the whiteboard, okay? The mirror whiteboard, okay? So, type your on browser mirror, okay? Mirror board, mirror board, mirror board. Oh my god, is it that I can't spell board again? .com, okay? Mirrorboard.com. And this is what we have. So, you see the visual collaboration platform for everything, everything. A teacher can use it, organizations can use it. So go straight to where it says sign up. Okay, let's try login. Login. You can click on sign in, okay? Click on sign in. Click on sign up rather. I want to use my email. So I'm just gonna use this my email, a password. So once you input your Gmail password, you land straight here. Set up your team. So what's your team name? I'll just say my team name is MD Tutors. Okay. What will you be using? I want to use for education. What role? My teacher. Much questions. So my freelancer. I'm not sure these questions are very important. Okay. Just ask me this question for question sake. So let me. Mm, yes, I've done that. So once you've answered all these questions, you'll heard about you on YouTube. So you click on setup and continue. Skip for now. So you can click any of that is applicable to what you want to do. Okay, so this is where we are going and we have gotten that already. So our whiteboard, we've downloaded our whiteboard. We have our whiteboard in that. So you can check all templates. So whichever you would like to work with, you can click on it. Okay. So there are a lot of a whole lot of that there. So let's get started. Okay. So let's say I teach um, mathematics and I want to display my notes. So I can go straight here to add my notes, presentation mode, estimation, voting, timer. I can do all those stuff here. So you have to explore it to understand more about this. uh So you can bring in your board annotation, your meeting agenda, to-do list. You can do all those stuff. So you can bring it down. You can import it from your okay. After doing that, you can export it. Then what else can you do? So if you want to take notes, let's just do the simple one I want us to do. Okay. So just come right here. You can see your pen, okay? So click on the pen. That's terrible. Okay, so I've clicked on my pen. I say I want to teach a particular thing, so I'm just gonna use 25. Let's say this is what I teach. Okay, 25 multiplied by 4. Then boom, off I go. So I just do this. Mm, is that correct? Okay. Okay, and that is all about that. So you know how to use your whiteboard. So how do you make use of this whiteboard in our Jitsi meeting? So let's go back there now.